Recursion envelopes. Book Intermediate Counting and Probability by Eric. Problems. I have 2048 letters numbered 1 to 2048. I have to address every single one. Originally says stacked in order with number 1 on top. To make this a bit less mind numbering, I address every single other one, starting with number 1. When I address a letter, I put it in my outbox. The ones I skip, I stack as I skip them, so number 2 is at the bottom of the stack after my first pass. After I finish my first pass, I have 1024 letters, which is not addressed. Number 2048 is on the top, number 2 is on the bottom. I then repeat my procedure over and over until there's only one letter left. What number is that letter? Pause to figure it out yourself. Solution. Step 1. We need to walk our way up. If we have one letter, then it is obviously going to be number 1 left. If we have 2 letters, I will address the first one and we have number 2. If we have 4 left, I will address the first and third, and then I will address the fourth, which leaves number 2. If we start with 8, I will address the first, third, fifth, and the 7th. Then I will address the 4th and the 8th, which leaves number 2 and number 6. I will then address the second. Solution. Step 2. If I start with 16, I will address all the odd numbers, then leaving the list of 8 envelopes. Using the same steps as the last problem, we end up with 6. Solution. Step 3. We still need to verify the formula. It looks like the change from 32 to 16 will leave the 32 envelope problem converted to the 16 envelope problem, while every odd number is removed. And the 16 envelope problem can convert to the 8 envelope problem, while the formula is AN equals AN plus 2 times 4 minus 2. We need to subtract 2 because we removed multiples of 4. We can fill 64, 256, and 1024 numbers out. Solution. Step 4. Just like how I filled the 64, 256, and 124 numbers, we can fill out the rest. The number at the 248th position is 1366. So the answer is number 1366.